A Nation's Tribute. Unveiling the Legacy of Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal. Unveiling the Spirit of a Nation's Visionary. In a powerful move, the Senate recently paid homage to the extraordinary legacy of Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal, a poet, philosopher and visionary whose impact continues to resonate deeply across the nation. A resolution to inspire and guide. The Senate's resolution, proposed by Sherry Raymond, celebrates Iqbal's immense contributions on his 148th birth anniversary. It acknowledges his pivotal role in awakening the spirit of Muslims in the Indian subcontinent and shaping their collective destiny. But here's where it gets controversial. The House recognized Iqbal as more than just a poet. They hailed him as the architect of a separate Muslim homeland in British India. His 1930 Allahabad Address, a defining moment in history, solidified this vision. The power of Iqbal's legacy. Iqbal's poetry, philosophy, and political thought are not mere words on paper. They are a living, breathing force that continues to inspire and guide the nation's youth. His concept of KHUDI, a call to self-realization and unity, is a powerful message that resonates deeply with the youth of today. The Senate's call to action is clear. Embrace Iqbal's message of self-belief, courage, and excellence. It's a call to build a strong, prosperous Pakistan, united in brotherhood and ready to face internal and external challenges. And this is the part most people miss. The resolution encourages a renewed commitment to Iqbal's spirit of unity, not just as a passive remembrance, but as an active force for progress and change. A day of recommitment. The House reaffirmed its dedication to building a just, humane, and progressive society, a vision aligned with Iqbal's principles of freedom, dignity, and mutual respect. Iqbal Day, therefore, becomes not just a day of remembrance, but a day of active recommitment to these ideals, a day to strive for a better future for all humanity. So, what do you think? Is Iqbal's legacy a guiding light for Pakistan's future? Or is there another perspective we should consider? Let's discuss in the comments.